Alright, so today I thought was the best things to do, go and try my sidecar in a real environment. We are up to the mountain in Angeles forest. Phenomenal. There's some off-road trail that are pretty cool. It's after the rain, so a little muddy, but this baby with the two wheels is rocking, so it's amazing. I think it's 3 miles long, pretty deep, so there's some good passage, so it's fun. But the sidecar is okay. There's a couple things on the idle. It's kind of like going up, so I gotta every once in a while I have to turn it down. But she's doing amazing, so I'm proud of her. This is just a video to check this girl in off-road. After the camping, I didn't really have time to test it in off-road. I thought this is a good time. I'm gonna go up more and see how it's performing. Let's go! Very windy right here. Woo, it's beautiful. There you go, baby. Right here, this is all new from Ukraine. I replaced everything. I did it 3 times because the old one, I tried to fix it and I couldn't. So I ordered a new part, completely new. You can see the difference in color. I also bought a new carburetor, K750, but I found already something better that I'm going to order for sure. Light system. And I upgrade this one. This is funny. I took it from an ATV and I adjust for the cart. The back one I ordered from an ATV part and adjust like a roll bar. I changed all 3 new tires completely by myself, and that was insane because the old one, they were so old and really hard. I love it. She's so much fun. I rode a lot of motorcycle in my life, Ducati, Aprilia, scooter, dirt bike, but this is the first sidecar and it's so much fun, guys. So much fun. It's just unique. Really like peace of mind. You smile when you're driving. Alright guys, thank you for watching. It was a very short video, a lot of fun. Test went well. We're ready to explore more in a forest, some free camping. Thank you again really for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.